Hey guys, this is the blizzard type storm going through Baltimore, Maryland right now. There's icicles everywhere and so much snow. We've been shoveling for a long time. That tree over there is 10 feet tall and you can see just a few feet sticking out of it. This is me standing and putting my arms straight out, touching the snow. Touching the top of the snow. It is up to my, almost up to my chest. The plants and trees and stuff are covered. Somewhere under here is a car.
It's over there.
See, it's so bad you can't even tell. Okay, under there is a car. Oh, it's blowing. It's getting on the lens. It is so bad. You know how tall it is? This is just last night's snow.
What?
I'm making a video for you. Oh, it's so deep. It's really bad. He's got a snow blower, Lucky. You should bring that over here. This snow, I can't even see over the edge. I can't even see over the top of it. So how big it is. So yeah, you people in Florida and California are really lucky to be living there right now. I have frozen. And I've been doing so much shuffling. Can hardly feel on my feet. Whoa! So count your 70 degree weather as a blessing. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys this huge snowstorm. I'll make another video when it's over because it's not going to stop till 10 o'clock tonight and it's like 1 o'clock right now. So, 9 more hours, see how it looks. Okay, bye.